Good morning, everybody. Welcome back, or let me say, I welcome me back. It's been a long time since I posted a video on my YouTube channel. The last video that I've posted was on December 19 of last year, and it's taken me more than 3 months to put something on my channel for this year. So, yeah. But I think it's time for me to be back. um, as I was checking the papers of my students, I thought that they need some extra learning materials. Before this month would end, because March is Women's Month, I thought that perhaps it would be nice to have a vlog before March would end. Maybe just to celebrate me being a female, being a woman, having two X chromosomes. So I think yes, I'll be vlogging again. Some will be from my travels, short travels within the province. Most of my vlogs would be for my students. That's what I'm gonna do. So I hope that you would be joining me and you would be checking out my vlogs. I'll try to make them as educational as possible. I'm just happy to gain back some energy in order to do this again. I believe in the value of doing an extra step and walking the extra mile in order to substantiate the learning of my students. I've been doing a lot of personal reflection and meditation. I've been listening and learning from a lot of people, those I consider inspirations, and those that I believe have a lot of substance of character and a lot of wisdom, so that I could learn. It is difficult to nourish others when you yourself need nourishment. And although I am very proactive in nourishing myself intellectually, emotionally, spiritually, psychologically, I think it's important to take stock of what is happening. Am I bubbling here? I actually have a class 10 minutes from now, and I took the opportunity to, do this short conversation with you as I prepare for a class. Because when I woke up today, I just said, well, I'm gonna say something for my absence in my channel. So, yeah, and that's it for now. So, I welcome you back to JoyBeans, Conversations with me, Conversations with Joy, and I really welcome myself back to the channel. So looking forward to you watching my videos, and for those who are not subscribed yet to my channel, please do subscribe and support me, and comment and suggest, please. I really need your wisdom too. I really need your suggestions and inputs, so that I would know what to share with you. Although I already have 2 things in the lineup on what I have to prepare. A few days from now would be midterms for the university, so I'd like to create at least 2 learning materials that I hope would substantiate the learning for my students and for others who may need them, and help them really earn good scores. And aside from that, not just earn good scores or grades, but I think I really want my students to have a deep appreciation when they understand something on the deeper level. Because I have that joy in me when I really understand deeper something fully and completely. Something that I haven't understood well yet in the past, and I'm bubbling. So I'll stop there. So thank you again, and I'm grateful to be back, and thank you for your constant support. And yeah, bye everybody. So to add to the conversation I had earlier, I just finished class, by the way, We finished early because 3 or 4 of my students were not fully ready to present their reports. I have a laboratory class today from 7 to 10. To add to this, to add to the video, to the first video that I'm going to be sharing with you this year, I thought that I'm going to be showing you or sharing with you a little bit of my office space. So this is my desk. I'm not going to show everything. So this is my desk, and I have these 2 mugs of pens and pencils. I really love looking at them. They're one of my favorite simple decors. I have some plants in the office, and these are some of the books I have. Definitely the lower shelf would have some of the thesis manuscripts of my thesis advices before, and some books there on top, and magazines, and oops, there's my face mask. And here are some more books. I'm gonna be showing you this. I really love that particular bag. It was given to me by Carlene and Kathleen, 2 of my favorite young humans in the country. They gave this to me. It's in the Baybayin, if I'm not mistaken. And they gave it to me as, I think, a New Year's gift. And it says Padayon. I have a plant here. And this would be my reminder whiteboard. I haven't even updated some of them. I haven't canceled. Well, I haven't erased them. And that's my UP clock. I'm very particular about time. Many of my students would know that. And just to show you this, this is one of my daily reminders. The daily reminder to do good work. And this is from JPR. It says, "It is a useless life that is not consecrated to a great ideal. It is like a stone wasted on the field without becoming a part of any edifice." Another one would be this. I have some framed photos in my office, and these were actually from a photo exhibit many years back, shared by some of the alumni of CMU, and I have them here. They're stored here in the office because the CMU press cannot store them anymore there. And I have here, some of the, some stuff, personal stuff that I like to keep in the office. This refrigerator used to be fully covered with magnets. Some I bought, some are definitely given by some of my students and friends and alumni, and have some very old ref magnets here. And this ones were, postcards. I think colonies from Germany. And this were given by friends. And the one there on top, that picture is of Professor Vilma C. Fonaliera. She was a senior professor in the department, and I really admired her. We used to call her Ma'am V, ma'am for, the usual ma'am, but you could also call her mom for MOM. She was, a very good senior professor, very inspiring. Her life and her work were very inspiring, and she's still active on FB. She had retired for a long time ago, but we still connect and keep contact through the Facebook. She usually would comment whenever I post something on my social media, on my FB, and that is also equally inspiring. This was a painting of, a corn cob, corn ear, that was done by a student. I don't know who made this one, but this is done on simple plywood, and I love it. I have kept it, hoping to use it somewhere, sometime. Because it's there's no reason. I just like it. very creative, and Mr. Corn Ear looks very sexy with his sunglasses. This is my desk. It's quite messy, so yeah, that will be the last thing that I'm gonna show you. And so thank you, everybody. Hope to, quote unquote, see you in my next video. Have a good weekend. Bye. Thank you very much. If you appreciate this video, please like, subscribe, click on the bell, and even comment. Until next time.